This LG fridge freezer has got some great features to help you save energy and keep your food tasting fresher for longer. So let's have a closer look. Opening the fridge door lets cold air escape and allows warm air in. When this happens, the compressor needs to work harder to drive out the warm air. To help counter this, LG have developed an InstaView technology which lets you see inside your fridge without opening the door. Forgotten if you need to get milk? Just knock twice on the door and the interior light will illuminate so you're able to see what's inside. This means you get up to 41% less heat loss in the long run. Its door-in-door design also lets you grab your most used items without letting too much cold air out. It also has Nature Fresh technology, which helps to keep your food fresher for longer. It does this with an inverter linear compressor that keeps a consistently steady temperature, minimizing heat fluctuations. This works together with linear cooling technology that keeps the temperature between 0.5 and minus 0.5 degrees. You also get added freshness with door cooling, which stabilizes the interior temperature 19% quicker than your usual cooling system. This reduces the temperature gap between the inner compartments and the door sides of the fridge. It can also save you energy thanks to LG's smart inverter compressor. This adjusts its cooling power based on how much food you have in the fridge and the temperature inside and outside. Plus, it will give you a quieter kitchen and a more peaceful home as it works without generating as much noise as your standard fridge freezer converter. It's got a water dispenser on the front that can give you instant chilled water, and because it's non-plumb, you can place it anywhere in the kitchen. It's easy to refill too, just fill up the 4.3-liter water tank that can be found just here. And if you want to keep your other drinks chilled, there is also an ice dispenser so you won't have to settle for a lukewarm drink again. And if you'd like to know more info about this LG fridge freezer, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.